Did you like that movie? I love that movie. I can watch that like 100 times. Every time I see it, I have to giggle. So, what was that movie about? Was it telling us that just because you're different, like the big bird was much different than the little birds, but the little birds were kind of, I don't know, they weren't the friendliest, were they? They weren't even friendly with each other. They were all kind of like that. And so I think the big bird came in and kind of shook them up a little bit. So, and just to show it's okay to be different and it's okay to have friends that are different than you. In fact, it's better to have friends that are different than you, that make you laugh, not laugh at them, but with them. So, we are going to learn how to draw, not the big bird, but 3 of the little birds on a clothesline. And I will show you in a minute. Okay, let's get started. So for this, our project, which will be drawing 3 birds from the movie that we just watched, we will need a pencil and our crayons. And that's it. That is all we're going to need. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do with our paper, and we need obviously a piece of paper. We're going to draw, there's 2 ways to use our paper. There's this way, which is long, it's tall, and then this way, which goes, it's longer than it is tall. So we're going to go this way. We're going to draw a line across the bottom of the page like this. It doesn't have to be straight. Doesn't have to be perfect. Does everybody get that? Let me make sure. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Yep, you can. All right, then, sorry. Then we are going to draw 3 circles. I'm going to start with the middle one. 1, okay, another one. They don't all have to be the same size. They're more like, they look more like eggs, don't they? Yeah. There's another one. So we got 1, 2. I need 1 more. Hey, Roxy. Roxy, my dog, just came in. Now she's wagging her tail because I said her name. Okay. How's that look? Does that look good? Yeah. 3 circles. All right. Now we're going to draw, we have 3 birds so far. So now we're going to draw his beak, the beaks. The beaks are kind of their nose. So we're going to draw 3 more circles. Each one's going to get a circle like this. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. And like that. How's that look? Does that look okay? Then to make the beak, we're going to draw a line like that. How's that look? Does that look like a beak? Does that look like 3 birds? Does it kind of come in together like 3 birds? All right, now let's draw their eyes. Their eyes are just kind of like this. More circles. Lots of circles. Okay. And kind of draw their eyelids. Like that. And then their underlight. Well, we draw the dark part of their eyes like that. And we're going to color those. Let's see. How's that look? Does that look okay? Okay. Then we're going to draw their claws. Birds have claws that they can hold on to this line. This is like a telephone line. So, and the way they hold on, they grip the telephone line with their their claws. So we're just going to draw 3 like that for each one. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll probably erase, I don't know where my eraser is. Okay. The line right there, we're probably going to erase that line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then we're going to draw their feathers, their wings, because they fly. They're not flying in the movie. Do they fly in the movie? No, they don't. Okay, so their wings are just going to be like this little, like on the side, just like a little bit of a wing. How's that look? I think those look good. So let's get coloring. What color do you want to draw your birds? Now, you can draw your birds any color you want, but what I would do is for the beaks, that's this part, I would color them orange because a lot of times the birds' beaks are orange. So I'm going to use my orange crayon to color those. Let's see, like that. Then so I've got 3 birds with 3 orange beaks. Just like that. I'm trying to stay in the lines. Sometimes it's hard though. Okay. Then I think their claws I think might be orange, but I want to erase those if I can. But if I can't, because I don't have an eraser, I don't know what I do with my favorite eraser. I have all these erasers that I don't really like. Yeah, that one makes everything really. The erasers that you got in your packets are really good. So I don't have those. I don't know what I did with my eraser. I don't know where it is. Let's see. There. That one. That one. Make it a little darker right there. Now, for the birds, the actual color of the birds, you can do whatever color you'd like. I think I'm going to use, the primary colors. I may make one red, and then another one yellow, and another one blue. But that's just me. You can make them rainbow. You can make them whatever color you'd like. I'm going to make this guy kind of look like he's looking over at this guy. Kind of changing that a little bit. So this guy, because the birds in the movie, did they like each other? I don't think they did. They certainly didn't like the bigger bird, did they? They weren't very nice to the bigger bird. Let's see. Yeah. And then this is going to be like that. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm going to do that. Like that. We're just drawing so many circles today, aren't we? Hopefully you're getting practice. Okay. How's that look? Oh, I think that looks really good. Okay. So I'm going to use blue, yellow, and red, if I have red. I keep losing my red crayon. I don't know where it goes. Just red? That's not really red. It's violet. I don't know where my crayons go. It's probably because I don't put them away, which is very bad. Okay, so I'm going to color him in with the blue. So this will be the blue bird. Now, this time of the year, which is fall or autumn, depending on what you call it, the birds fly a lot of the birds fly south for the winter because they don't like when it gets cold. So you don't see as many birds out as you normally do, like in the spring and the summer. How's that look? Yeah, that looks pretty good, I have to say. Now, if you want to make your bird rainbow birds, a lot of times kindergartners like to do rainbows, which we're going to do in another class. But we're going to do that. You can do that. Any color you want. How's that look? Like that. Blue. So this is our blue bird. Okay, and then I'm going to do a yellow bird. I'm going to take a sip of tea though. It's really icky out. Okay, I'm going to make this one yellow. See? Yeah, you can see. Oh. I'm losing my point on my yellow crayon. So I may have to peel some of the paper back. I was doing something with yellow. I'm not sure what. How's that look? Does that look okay? Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little orange, just like that. Just a little bit around like that. How's that look? Yeah. Then what color was this gonna be? For me, I'm gonna make it red. You don't have to make it red. Because I don't have red. I don't know where my red went. So this is kind of purpley, isn't it? I don't know if I've ever seen a purple bird before. I've certainly seen red birds a lot. Red birds are often cardinals. That's a type of bird, and they don't go away in the winter. They hang around in the winter. They're really pretty red, and we always, I'm not sure, but where I live, the trees around where I live must be, the cardinals like them. So we always have cardinal nests every spring and baby cardinals around, which is kind of fun. Let's see. These guys certainly don't look happy, do they? I wonder if they're unhappy because it's raining today. How's that look? Okay. How's that look? I think that looks good. Yeah. Oh, you know what we forgot to draw? Their tail feathers. They've got these like little feathers that could kind of go like this. And that would be on the other side of the wire, so we got to draw those. And that's just like a line that goes back and forth, like up and down. It's like a zigzag line, like that. So this one would be blue. And this is going to be yellow. And this one is going to be red, which is really purple or pink. There. Cool. I like that. you know what we had to do? We had to color their eyes. What color would these birds' eyes be? I'm thinking they'd be green. I don't know why, but I'm going to add a little green like that. How's that look? Oh, that looks so much better. Let's see. How's that look? Cool. 1, 2, 3, 3 birds. We made 3 birds. That's great. So I hope you had fun with this project. I hope you can send these pictures to your teacher so I can see what they look like when you're finished. And I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye.